What's up guys, welcome to this tutorial. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn a picture to a CAD drawing, a picture to an AutoCAD file drawing. So let's dive into the tutorial. The first thing you actually need to do is to make sure your system or anything you want to use, your desktop or anyone, is actually connected to your internet. And then the first thing you have to do is to go to your Chrome and type in www.imagetocad.com and then click on this first link, which takes you to this second to this page. And then the next thing you actually need to do is to download this. I think it is a kilobyte. It's taking a kilobyte space on your system. So actually going to the download and looking for the software we actually downloaded, and let's just try to install it. Go into the directory of the software and I accept the agreement, and then click on next, and we have to install. But because I've installed this on my system, I don't actually need to do it again, so I would rather cancel it and click on yes, then go straight into the tutorial. So after downloading the software, which I have on my desktop here, double click on it, and then we actually need to select the image we want to convert to the AutoCAD drawing file, and we actually need to add a file, and the file we are adding is actually located on our desktop. So let's actually look for it. Now this is what we are converting. Then let's click on open. So we are converting to a DXF, and actually we want to save this onto the desktop rather. We actually want to save this to the desktop. So let's click on convert. Okay, the unregistered version will anyhow. Let's click on OK, and then our work is done. So we actually need to look for, where is it, this, and let's open it. What is what we've converted. So let's try to look how it's gonna work. Okay, AutoCAD is popping up, and let's just try to look. But before we get to another thing, I actually want you guys to subscribe to my channel, support me creating content here on YouTube. Like, this is my channel, and I actually want every one of you to subscribe, because I have a lot of videos that can put you through using some of these things. So this is the picture we actually want to convert, and then we're converting it. So guys, that is actually what I'm going to be showing you today, and I just want you to subscribe to my channel, support me creating content here on YouTube, because it helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm. And I want you to like this video and make sure you comment asking any question you don't really understand based on this tutorial, or based on some things I said that you don't really get. Love you guys.